Hi there and welcome to another short video where we're looking at features of AKCPro server. So in the last video we were setting up a rack map and we were adding assets to it and giving those assets specific parameters such as their weight and the current that they draw, and then we're able to make sure that we have sufficient overhead. We're not going to be exceeding the manufacturer's specifications for the cabinet, and we're not going to be tripping our breakers if we add more load to a specific cabinet. So what I'm going to show you today is continuing on with those assets, but it's being able to track the history of assets throughout your data center. So you can see here we have a server added to our cabinet, and we can go to view history, and we can see here various events in the history of this asset. So we can see that it was installed on the 25th of the 6th, 2018, and the user or technician who installed this. So we could add a new event. Let's say that we replace the PSU on the 30th of the 6th, 2018, and the user again is Nick, and it adds it to the history. So every time any maintenance is carried out to the device, or let's say it's moved, so relocated to cabinet number 2 on the 30th of the 6th, 2018 also. So we begin to build up a total history, the date and time that certain events were taking place, who did them, and so we can track the asset and its movement through the data center and any maintenance which is done. So this is quite a neat little feature of our asset tracking. So again, to find it after you've added an asset to the cabinet, you just go to view history, or in your list of assets here, you can find it and again go to view history, and you can begin to add history to these various assets and dragging them here into your cabinet. As always, you can download AKCPro server for free from our website. Just go over to www.akcp.com, where you can download and begin using this world-class data center infrastructure management and centralized monitoring software.